Top actresses from the early 20s who ruled our screens. Tokunbo Latono in the early 2000s was an household name who did not only keep the Yoruba movie lovers glued to their screens with her enchanting beauty, but with her endearing act. She starred in a number of Yoruba movies before settling back in the UK after her husband asked her to move in with him. Juwon Adewumi. She stole the heart of many Yoruba movie lovers with her production, her beauty, and her skills. She's known for playing the roles of a lover girl with Yomi Good. She's presently based in the US with her white husband. Tope Bali on her part was often seen on Okoyemi Ayola's movie production. So she seemed to be one of our students. We miss her on the screen and we miss her skills, we miss her beautiful face. That's why she made it to this list. Funke Adesina, if I am not mistaken, broke into Nollywood with the movie Okiki Aje and Ayokuleyin. Her roles in the movies earned her notable recognition among Yoruba movie fans. She's presently a notable politician in Oyo State. The next on my list is the beautiful Mosun Filani. She is an household name, and she was an household name in the early 2000s. She was known to be a member of the late Ahmed Alasiri caucus. She stood out from the rest during her prime before deciding to take a backseat in the movie industry. I grew up seeing Buki Fagbi as an ace producer who produced excellent movies. With this, she has written her name in the sand of time. Mr. Rasaramu, to me, has a similar personality with Yewande Adekoya. Now, she left the Yoruba movie scene for some time now and has left us yearning for a thrilling performance in movies. She's presently based in the US. Folashade Omoni played the lead role in one of Biova's movie in the early 2000s, where she played the role of Lekpa Shande. Since then, the name has stuck. She's presently based in the US. Then we have Taiwo Aromokun in the early 2000s. Always came as a partner with Odunlade Adekola in movies. They had a chemistry, and then everybody started speculating that they had a thing going on with each other. Nobody knows. She's presently based in the US with her twins. Veteran actress Bisi Ibidapo based on the art of Nigerians after her role in the movie Olabisi Omodogbalogba. The beautiful actress was once rumored to have had a thing with Dino Melaye, a Nigerian politician. You made it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. And also, if you think my compilation is incomplete, you can drop the others in the comment section so I can make a part 2 of this video. And also, if you're just stumbling on my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, and also do well to follow me on all my social media platforms, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook.